Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brenda Joseph. Today I'm going to show you how to use a circular saw for beginners. Please subscribe to my channel. This is what we call a circular saw. It's good for cutting things or timber across, and even it's good for ripping. So this part is the front handle, and we have this one is for back handle. Then this part for the motor. Then we have the shoe or the sole. Then we have this one. It's called a lower guard. Then you have the upper guard. Then we have this one. It's a cable, which is the one you plug in a socket when you are working. Then this one is Allen key for opening the blade. Then we have this screws here if we want to adjust and cut at 45 or any angle. You open those screws, which I'm opening here. Then you adjust it like that. It is called canding. Then you cut the timber at 45 degrees. So after that, you can do the work in any way you want. Maybe you are roofing, or you want to jump on the like the pressure boards. You can use that one when it is set at 45 degrees. So you have this one, fence. You just fix it in front here like this. After fixing it, then you tighten. There's a nut here. You tighten this nut. After tightening the nut, then you do what? You start cutting, but the piece of wood you are going to cut, it have to be very straight, so that this fence will just follow it and produce woodwork. That is it. So now I'm going to use this one called a split square. It is also going to act as a fence to cross cut this timber, as you see. It can also help if you are cutting some short pieces, or you can even make your own wooden square, which is long. Maybe if the board is wide, then you do what? You cut. There's a video which I made down there, previous video, how to make a wooden square. One you can cross cut with a circular saw. I think you have seen it has cut very good cut, very straight at 90. So thank you very much for watching. If you are new, please subscribe. We meet on the next upload. Goodbye.